Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, sir. How are you? I want to introduce myself. My name is Ida Sahrina. You can call me Mida. I'm come from in Malang, Indonesia, Java. I am 13 years old. I am Muslim and I am divorced. My last education, senior high school. I have one son. He is 6 years old. I have experience before working in Indonesia 2 years. My job is take our baby 2 years old. I can cleaning the house, cooking, washing, ironing, and shopping. I can cook fried noodles, steamed eggs, steamed fish, steamed chicken, and stir-fried vegetables. I'm sorry, mom, I cannot eat a pork, but I can cook the pork. And I'm afraid of dog. I want to go to Hong Kong because I want more money for my child and my family. I will be very happy if you give me opportunity to be your hostmate. Thank you, mom. Thank you, sir. See you in Hong Kong. Bye bye.